Hey guitar enthusiast, Lauren Bateman here. In this lesson video, we're going to be doing a play along to Hound Dog by Elvis Presley. So let's get into the video. Now, this is not the actual how to play the song video. If you need that, I'll put a link up here for you guys to go check out that video. In this lesson, what you're going to be doing is playing through the entire song beginning to end with me, and I'm going to be singing along so that you guys can keep track. Now, if you need the chords and lyrics to follow along, you can do that on my website, laurenbateman.com. I'll put a link in the description below for you guys to go and check that out. You can pull it up and then come back here and push play. All right, so I got my glasses on. I'm ready to go so that I can see the page and the lyrics. So we're going to start off just 4 down strums, all right? If you can only do 1 strum per chord, if you're that much of a beginner, just do 1 strum per chord. I'm going to be doing this a little slower speed, 4 strums per chord, okay? We're starting with this C chord. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you were high class. That was just a lie. Yeah, they said you were high class. That was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to the F and C, to the G, to the F, back to the C. Well, they said you were high class. That was just a lie. Yeah, they said you were high class. That was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. 2, 3, and instrumental. To the F, back to C, to G, F, back to C. Well, they said you were high class. That was just a lie. Yeah, they said you were high class. That was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. And there you go. That is Elvis Presley's Hound Dog. Very simple, even kiltered, slower pace. All right, if that was still too fast for you, you can use the settings cog down below, and you can even make this slower if you have to. So go back, rewind this, play through it as many times as you need to. I'm going to move on to the second part of the video where I'm going to actually play this much faster, probably more to the tempo of the song, and I'm going to play a little bit more of an intricate shuffle pattern. All right, ready? Let's do it. Real quick, if you guys are enjoying this play along lesson, make sure to give me a thumbs up so that YouTube lets other viewers know that I have play along lessons just like this. 1, 2. Oh, ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never had a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, you said it was hot glass, that was just a lie. I said you were hot glass, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never had a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. They said you were high class, that was just a lie. Yeah, they said you were high class, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. They said you were high class, that was just a lie. They said you were high class, that was just a lie. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Well, you ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Dun, dun. And there you go. That is the full speed of Hound Dog. Again, if you want to try working on this intricate strumming pattern, and I'm playing it a little bit too fast, use that settings cog, slow it down a little bit for you. Just try playing along. Play along as many times as you need to rewind the video. Keep going and working through it. And I'll see you guys in another lesson video. YouTube's going to pop up a couple more videos up there. Go give those a try, and I'll see you guys soon.